Hey everyone, big news in the tech world. OpenAI has just dropped a bombshell. Remember ChatGPT, the cutting-edge A text generator? Well, it's now available to everyone, no sign-ups required.
What?
Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT is leveling up, making it as user-friendly as your favorite search engine.
Yeah, boy.
But wait, there's more to this story than meets the eye. OpenAI is stepping up its game, aiming to eat Google's lunch by fulfilling Google's own mission statement. You know, the one about organizing the world's information and making it universally accessible and useful. ChatGPT's new free access is a bold move in that direction. Now, let's talk about privacy. OpenAI mentioned that your conversations with ChatGPT might be used to train the model. But don't worry, there's a way to opt out, although the method to access these settings isn't crystal clear just yet. The official word from OpenAI goes like this: we may use what you provide to ChatGPT to improve our models for everyone. If you'd like, you can turn this off through your settings, whether you create an account or not. But what's missing in this free version? Well, you won't be able to save or review your chat history, share chats, or use voice and custom instructions. It's a streamlined experience, but some features are still exclusive to account holders. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Is this OpenAI's prelude to competing against Google? With its free instant chat, ChatGPT is making strides towards fulfilling Google's mission in a way that Google search hasn't quite nailed. So, could ChatGPT become the next big thing in information retrieval? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, OpenAI is shaking up the tech world, and we're here for it. If you want to know how to use ChatGPT 4 for free, check out this video. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.